Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the host and client meet CPU, RAM, disk I/O, and GPU requirements so performance won't bottleneck. Once done, install the official remote desktop agent on the virtual image and the client app on your device, and make sure the firewall and ports are open. Then sign in with your enterprise or cloud account and provision the virtual desktop instance or pool so a machine is ready to accept your connection. You now connect. Select the provisioned virtual machine or desktop pool, pick display resolution and multi-monitor options so the desktop matches your workflow. Then map local drives, USB devices, clipboard, and enable GPU pass-through or printer redirection if you rely on them. After connecting, adjust bandwidth versus quality settings and encryption level to balance responsiveness and security, and enable persistent profiles so settings and files remain between sessions. You finish by locking down session policies, setting autosave and backup snapshots, and creating a template image so you can roll back changes quickly. Test latency, file transfer, audio and video, and peripheral functionality before beginning heavy work to avoid surprises. If something goes wrong, restart the remote agent first, confirm NAT and firewall rules, and update GPU and network drivers. If problems persist, gather logs and escalate to your admin with precise timestamps and error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.